kids, today's lesson is expository writing, and I'm going to go over a few different types of expository writing. So let's first define expository writing. Expository writing writing explains or informs. It answers the reader's basic questions about a topic, such as who, what, when, where, why, and how. We've heard those questions before because those are also the journalistic questions that we ask when writing a newspaper article. So let's go through the types of expository essays. First would be the informative essay. Next would be how-to, and last would be compare and contrast. And there's a whole separate video on compare and contrast. I plan to make a video for the how-to because those two you will do in class. So the informative. The informative essay provides information in a logical order. To create a logical order, link one sentence to another by using repeated words or repeated ideas. So an informative essay, quite simply, is an essay meant to inform. So I'm kind of sloppy on this one, if you can't tell. So the next would be the how-to essay, which explains a process. The how-to essay tells the reader how to do something, quite simply, and it uses a lot of transitional time words. So words that show time, because it has to, a lot of times it's in step type format. So you have first, second, third, finally, etc., etc. And then you have your compare and contrast essay. And as I said, there's a much more detailed video, but the compare compares two different things or subjects, the similarities of, and contrast is the differences of. And then here's some examples of some transition words you can use for compare, which is the similarities, or contrast, which is the differences. Okay, so one effective graphic organizer that I've seen a lot of people use for compare and contrast essays is a Venn diagram. And I'm sure you all have seen them, but here is one example. You draw two circles. You put the differences between two things in their own circles, and then the similarities in the center space that is shared. And that Venn diagram is very helpful for a lot of people in writing a compare-contrast essay. So that's it. I know it's a pretty short video, but that's your expository writing. You have your informative essay, you have your how-to essay, and you have your compare and contrast essay. And so that's the lesson on the types of expository writing. I will see you again next time.